Hello guys, now I'm going to take about diode comparator. Diode comparator is a non-linear circuit which was used to perform the operation of clipping, may also be used to perform the operation of comparator. So the basic components of diode comparator are: number one, it's a diode. It may be one junction 4007. Second one, a resistor for the load, and third one is a reference voltage. So what will be the diagram of the diagram of the diode comparator will be: so the output is given at the one end of the output is taken, the input is given to the diode and the output is taken across the resistor R. This is the VR, which was the reference voltage. It is the diode 1N4007. The output is taken at the end of the diode comparator. First of all, we should know about the operation of diode. So the diode has two junctions, anode, cathode. So anode is represented as Ka and cathode is represented as K. So the cathode is the N-type material. Anode is a P-type material. So generally, to make the diode as on condition, the anode should have voltage greater than cathode. Therefore, Va should be greater than Vk. During this condition, the P-type is blow. During on condition, the diode will be as like a short circuited one. When the cathode voltage Vk is greater than Va, then the diode looks like a short circuiting. It's open circuited. When cathode voltage is greater than the anode voltage, then the diode looks like an open circuited. So we can go again to the diode comparator circuit diagram. So it is the cathode, it is the anode. So the V reference voltage should be lower than Vi to make the diode in on state or short circuiting stage. So consider VR as 5 volt, okay, and the Vi as ramp signal. The ramp signal is like its function is R of t. Therefore, here the diagram looks like R of t is equal to t when t is greater than or equal to 0. So consider that VR is a 5 volt and Vi is from 0 to it's a ramp signal. So case 1, when ramp VA is still VR. So at the initial stage, VA is less than VR until the 5 volt is reached. So when until the 5 volt, the diode looks like an open circuit. So the comparator output is independent of the signal until it attains the reference level. Therefore, the output will be the same as the the VR. Okay, then the output diagram will looks like it's a constant DC level. VR is a constant 5 volt. So until the 5, it will be 5. Okay, the 5 time period is reference because of the R of t function. R of t is equal to t. So until the VR is level is maintained. So case 2, after 5 time period, VI is equal to VR, VI is greater than or equal to VR. Then the diode looks like a short circuited one. So now there will be difference between the VI and VR. The VI is get differented. So the difference of VI and VR is came as an output to the diode comparator. So now let's look the diagram. When diode is 5 volt, it is also 5 volt. It's normally conducting. It's at the initial position A. Okay, then when it is 6, it is 5 volt. So the difference between 6 minus 5 is 1 volt. So the 1 volt of ramp signal is increased at the output. Then it is 7, 5. Then 7 minus 5, it is 2 volt. Then at the time period of 7, it will be 2 volt increased from the reference voltage. So the difference between the V reference and the V in is taken as an output by comparing the VI with the reference voltage VR. This is called as the diode comparator. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. It have many mistakes or small mistakes, so please don't forget to mention it. Please give your feedback. Thank you.